Today we are restoring the cabinet hardware from our, we think, 1960s kitchen that was remodeled probably sometime around there. Cole tried a couple different types of techniques to get that other paint off of the hardware. Acetone and rubbing alcohol were the two most effective, and we decided to use the acetone by soaking them in a old ice cream pail filled with acetone and then scrubbing off all of that black coating that was on the hardware. And then using a toothbrush and a scrub brush to get everything off, and then coating it with a clear coat for the final product. Really happy with how these turned out, and I'm glad that Cole has experience on how to do stuff like this and is willing to help me out with all of my crazy projects. I'm happy with the color that they were underneath. We weren't 100% sure when we started, but it matched the kitchen perfectly with what I was looking to trying to achieve. I love it that these still have a very retro feel to them while still having that modern color of the bronze or coppery colored metal that was underneath the black paint. So I really appreciate that Cole was able to do this, and it matches so nicely with all of our stainless steel appliances and the stainless steel sink. And I think it just helps tie the kitchen together, making the house have those, I don't know, nods to history and the story to this house. The house was built in 1919 and still has some of the original woodwork and some of the original hardware in different places. And obviously this kitchen was updated sometime in the 60s. And so having that part of the story reflected there in the kitchen was important to me, to maintain and reuse things that were there when I bought the house while modernizing it with the new colors. So thank you guys for watching, and enjoy this little montage of Cole cleaning the hardware. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye.